Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing. That's exactly the lie that's keeping you broke. Here's the truth. If you had invested just $100 into the S&P 500 10 years ago and never touched it, you'd have over $350 today. That's with zero effort, zero financial expertise, just $100 and a little patience. Now imagine doing that every single month. The problem isn't that you don't have enough money. The problem is that nobody taught you what to do with the money you already have. You've been told investing is for rich people, for Wall Street guys in suits, for people who understand things like market cap and yield curves. And so you wait. You tell yourself you'll start when you have more. But more never comes. And meanwhile, your money is sitting in a savings account earning 0.5% interest while inflation eats it alive at 3% per year. You're actually losing money by playing it safe. So let's fix that right now. The first thing you need to do is open a brokerage account. This is just a fancy term for an account that lets you buy investments. The best options for beginners are Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or a Roth IRA through either of those platforms. A Roth IRA is especially powerful because your money grows completely tax-free. You fund it with money you've already paid taxes on, and when you withdraw in retirement, you pay nothing. Zero. The IRS doesn't touch it. You can contribute up to $7,000 per year in 2024, and if you're just starting, this is the single best account to open first. The second step is to buy an index fund, specifically one that tracks the S&P 500. This is a collection of 500 of the biggest companies in America: Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, all in one investment. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to guess which company is going to win. You just buy a small piece of all of them at once. The S&P 500 has averaged roughly 10% returns per year over the last 50 years. There are down years, absolutely, but over time the direction is always up. Two great options are VOO, which is Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, or FXAIX, which is Fidelity's equivalent. Both have extremely low fees, under 0.05%, meaning almost every dollar you invest is actually working for you. The third step is the one most people skip: automate it. Set up a recurring $100 deposit every month. You won't miss it, and here's what happens when you don't. If you invest $100 a month starting today and earn that historical 10% average return, in 30 years you'll have over $200,000 from $100 a month. The math is almost offensive when you see it written out. This works because of compound interest. You're not just earning returns on your original money. You're earning returns on your returns. It snowballs. Slowly at first, then faster than you can believe. Now here's what I need you to take away from this. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You need to start investing to get rich. The difference between people who build wealth and people who don't isn't income. It's action. It's doing the thing today instead of waiting for the perfect moment that never arrives. Open the account this week. Buy the index fund. Set the automatic deposit. That's it. 3 steps, and you're already doing more than 80% of Americans who have zero invested outside of their jobs, 401k. You've got the information now. The only thing left is the decision. If you want more videos like this, simple, straight-talk money advice that actually helps you build wealth, hit subscribe right now. New videos drop every week, and every single one is designed to help you get ahead financially. Don't sleep on your future. Let's get it.